Hello, and welcome to day 3 of our 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. Today we're focusing on form and control, perfecting your squat technique, and engaging the right muscles with precision. It's not about speed, it's about smooth, powerful movements. Let's go! As always, we'll begin with a 2-minute warm-up. So stand tall on the plate and let your body settle into the vibrations. Bend your knees slightly, engage your core, and take a few deep breaths. Feel your body connecting to the rhythm. This helps activate your stabilizing muscles. Keep your chest lifted, your spine long, and your feet planted evenly. Today it's all about control. Let's set that intention right now. So as we settle in on this warm-up, go ahead and put your hands on your hips and lean forward slightly so that you can feel that vibration straight up through your hips. We'll be transitioning shortly into our first interval, so enjoy these last few moments of your warm-up. Alright, so we're going to prepare to transition into interval 1. Remember, it's 4 squats, 20 pulses, and 8 squats. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. 4 squats. Be sure to focus on your technique. Chest up, knees tracking over your toes, and glutes driving the motion. Move deliberately, no rush. Every rep should feel strong and centered. You're mastering your form with every squat. All right, complete the interval with 8 more squats. Nice work. Take a moment to shake it out. Great form protects your knees and builds real strength, and you're doing it perfectly. Take a deep breath and reset your posture as we get ready for round number 2. Great job on finishing round 1. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each rep is making you stronger. If you're feeling the vibration deep in your legs, that's your muscles waking up and working harder than on the floor. So keep breathing. Do a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, and let your body reset. This is your time to reconnect with your body. Notice how grounded you feel on the vibration plate. We're about to head into interval 2, same format. Squats and pulses, controlled reps. Try to focus on good form and steady rhythm this round. Get ready for interval 2, same sequence, same focus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Focus on your rhythm as you pull those abs in and stay balanced. Control your descent. Pause slightly at the bottom and drive up with power. You're getting stronger and more stable with every rep. Now finish out this interval with 8 squats. Excellent job. That control is what turns a simple squat into a sculpting move. Take a few deep breaths. You're training your body and your focus. That's real progress. You've got this. Think about why you started this 30-day challenge. You're building strength and confidence one set at a time. If you have your water nearby, go ahead and grab a sip. Stay hydrated and keep your posture tall. Get ready to head on into the final round. Let's make it clean and powerful. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep your chest lifted and your movements smooth. The vibration plate challenges your balance. Use that to your advantage. Every rep builds confidence, control, and coordination. Stay strong and finish like a pro. Now your final 8 squats for the day. You're powering through this like a champ. Awesome, you did it. Give yourself a hand. 2 thumbs up for staying with it. All right, stand tall and let that vibration help your legs recover. Keep your knees soft and your breathing slow. You trained your body to move smarter, not harder. That's the secret to long-term results. Be proud of your focus today. You've done an awesome job. We've completed 3 intervals of squats and you didn't miss a beat. We're going to be transitioning in shortly to our 2-minute cool down, where we're going to let the vibration plate do what it do. Amazing work today. So we're going to take these last 2 minutes to just stand tall and let the vibration plate do the recovery for you. Loosen your knees, keep them soft, let the muscles relax. You've earned this moment. Feel that gentle buzz helping to flush out the tension from your legs and glutes. Breathe deeply and inhale strength, exhale stress. You're stronger than you were yesterday. Notice how steady you feel now compared to when you started. That's your balance improving day by day. Consistency beats intensity, so showing up today matters more than being perfect. If your legs are a little shaky, that's okay. That's your muscles growing and adapting. Remember to hydrate after each session. Stretch your hips and quads later if you can. Day 3 is complete. I'm proud of you for sticking with it. Meet me back here tomorrow for day 4. We're just getting stronger. Go ahead and give yourself a hand. You did awesome. Be proud of yourself. And if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when the next day drops. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and we'll see you in the next workout. Bye.